I know it's the right way, you've got to go past the donkey.
Well, hello and welcome back to the final episode. Yes, episode 3 of the Monkey Bike Run Morocco. And today was the worst day. It was a wet start. Nobody likes a wet start, and we still had to do all the servicing on the bikes in the morning as usual. So it was cold, it was wet, but we had a day in lieu. We thought we'd head up into the mountains and just enjoy what we could, really. But one thing we hadn't really accounted for was all the dust that had built up in the bikes over the last few days, and all this wet weather kind of turned it to a bit of mush. Now, me and a few others had the problem where our accelerator was getting jammed wide open, but at this point right here, my bike just kept cutting out, and I thought, oh no, we're almost finished, and it's not working properly. Actually, it wasn't too much to worry about, to be fair. Paddy here, he managed to fix it pretty quick for me, and it turns out it was just the choker got jammed open because of all the grit and dust and muck that was inside. Once we got that going, it was all fine and dandy again.
Sometimes it's the more simple things in life that are often the most exciting, like this road for instance. It's just undiluted Morocco, isn't it? Look, there's just people working, dogs, people going about their business, rubbish on the streets. It's great. This is some of my highlights, really. I love this sort of stuff. I really do.
Right, so there we are. Next major, see that we're there. Whoop. Just go round the bend, straight.
Yeah, that one we're going.
Yeah, that one down the green there. So as we go round the bend,
yeah.
Oh, sorry, the water's straight, and then it'll be the first major. It is a major road.
And unfortunately it wasn't long before we had our second issue of the day. Yes, George had managed to get himself a puncture. Big nail got stuck in the tyre. There was some good news though. It wasn't far back into the town where there was a mechanic. To be fair, there's a mechanic on every blooming street corner. And well, George pushed it back there while the rest of us watched, and he was able to fix it. Having said that though, we did have to direct him on how to fix it, because he was honestly going to take a blooming great sledgehammer to it. We were shown back at base camp, as it were, how to take them apart, because they're split rims and not as straightforward as you might think. But he got it done eventually, and before you know it, we were all back on the road. And of course, there's only one way to test out a fixed rear wheel, and that's to herd a donkey.
For much, it's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 and I'm singing like oh, 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 oh. Little choke, better minute, let me hit the homies in a group text. 10 years, same thing. Got a couple trophies, but no J's on the neck. Got a couple Cardis, we don't flood with the gas. It's a very small world for my hand-hoes. We can make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for. Can't forget about trucks, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time.
Look up here.
Oh, turn around. And I'm singing like oh, 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 oh. It's the weekend, we've been working. I'll be posted fireside. Bring my boys in, bring your girls in. We'll be posted up all night. Yeah, limited edition, not the regular one. We shut down the city like when presidents come. I am not a rookie, I'm a veteran, bro. Promise I'ma take it easy later on. Oh, 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 oh.
Hello.
Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 and I'm singing like oh, SOS, oh, please fill my cup.
Alright, let me park up.
then we'll have a look.
I think it's still just too rich.
Okay. Let's take these off for a sec. Try to blow that way first.
Yeah, that's sucked itself back in.
Yeah, I can see it's just maybe give the wow. You see that? That looks like it's been there for 30 years. Look at it. It's incredible. Amazing. You probably can. If I get my clock, look, that's amazing. It's still there.
Well, we had one bike that was definitely not doing so well, so it was very, very important at this stage to completely forget about that one, have a cup of tea, have some snacks and just chillax for a bit. We did have a little hotel booked a few kilometres down the road, and before that it was important to, well, decorate Carl's bike with a penis, obviously, and head off to what was going to be a really interesting hour.
Oh dear. Maybe to take the bag off him or something.
Good morning. It is the last day and we stayed last night in this really nice family riad in a place called Immil, and it's a road up through the valley to the highest point, one of the highest villages in fact, and just kind of around the corner there, up in there somewhere, is the highest mountain, and you can get guides, take treks up there. Very, very nice. We're not going there, obviously. We've got 80 kilometers left to go. Half of it is all downhill because you saw us come up yesterday, and the other half is all flat, and we have to be at the finish line for about 2 o'clock, I think, to 4:30, so we've got to make it there. Should be easy, right? Should be easy. Well, as you saw yesterday, one of the bikes is playing up a blocked carburetor jet. They cleaned it all out, but it's still running really ropey, so it might not make it. My bike's still all right, though. I shouldn't have said that, should I? No. So it should be good. We're going to have some breakfast. I'm going to film the little path when we go out of here where we came up, because it's just crazy to get to this little hotel. Yeah, GoPro was playing up for the last day and a half. It wasn't recording any sound, so hence why I'm saying this. Let's get some breakfast, come on. Right, so I thought I'd show you the path from the riad, which is just back there, to this wild place of chicken. it's all right, it's all right. A very authentic Moroccan mountain village. And this is the actual path. Okay. Let's have a look. Am I going the right way? Oh, yeah, that's the right way. Yeah. I remember this. I know it's the right way. You've got to go past the donkey. You're getting the best shot, actually. That's a beautiful shot with the mountain. Oh, yeah. Like a dream. How much did you put in, Carl? Put in loads. I wasn't even on the stick. Nice, because he needed it. We've all got the problem this morning. Oh no!
just had lunch in a very nice place. 20 kilometres, not far to go, and we're only half an hour away from when the finish line opens. Hopefully, it'll be smooth.
Ready? Ready? You have to do it seconds.
Almost. Not started again. There's the sun. There's the sun. Bike has finally stopped. And how far are we to the finish line? 7K. 7K still? Oh shit, 7K. 7K of toe in. So I'll film them as they tow by. Let's see how well that goes, and I'll have to catch them up.
Here you go. Good speed.
Well, there we have it, folks. That's the finish line of the Monkey Bike Run 2023 in Morocco. It was great. I loved it. I hope you did too. If you like this kind of content, please do press that subscribe button, and hopefully I'll bring you a lot more of this kind of stuff. Till then, take care. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.